one of the four most important Buddhist pilgrimage destinations in India. Sarnath in Uttar Pradesh is the site where Lord Buddha, the great sage, delivered his first sermon. The Dhamek Stupa was built in 500 AD to replace an earlier structure commissioned by the great Mauryan king Ashoka in 249 BC. The history of Sarnath began with the arrival of Gautam Buddha at this place in 528 BC after he attained enlightenment at Bodh Gaya. Here he preached his first discourse to his 5 former companions. This event is described in Buddhist texts as Dharma Chakra Pravartana, meaning turning off the wheel of law. This marked the foundation of the first Buddhist Sangha, or the community of monks. The most celebrated of the Ashokan pillars is the one erected at Sarnath. Currently, the pillar remains where it was originally sunk into the ground, but the capital is now on display at the Sarnath Museum. By the 3rd century BC, Sarnath had flourished as a major center for arts, and the town reached its zenith during the Gupta reign. When the Chinese traveler Yuan-Sang visited Sarnath in the 7th century, there were 30 monasteries and 3,000 monks living in Sarnath. After the Mahaparinirvana of Buddha in 544 BC, his remains were cremated and the ashes were divided and buried under 8 stupas. And Dhamek Stupa is the most noticeable structure in Sarnath,